Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove Google Calendar to the Calendar app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, in order for you to use Google Calendar, make sure you already have signed into Google account. So you can swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we can go down and tap on accounts, so accounts and backup, and then tap on manage accounts. In here, make sure that you sign in to your Google account, so you can tap on add account, then tap on Google and sign into your Google account. Okay, so once you have signed to Google account, you can then in here you can choose sync account and make sure you turn on calendar. Once it is turned on, now we go back to the home screen and swipe up to go into the app screen. In the app screen, open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu key on the left hand side and then tap on settings. In the calendar settings screen, tap on manage calendars, and then we go down and tap on Google. So tap on the Google toggle button to add or remove the calendar. So in here, when you turn on the toggle button, it will add it to your calendar app. And if you go back out here, tap on the back key and tap on the menu key, you can see below here the Google Calendar, which you can expand or collapse, and you can turn on which options to show in the calendar app in here. And that is how you can add or remove Google Calendar to the calendar app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.